Hey everybody, Jillian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new process video sharing my last entry in the Wholehearted Devotional Kit from Illustrated Faith. I'm journaling in my Interleaved Bible in Deuteronomy 10 and 11, and I've been on this stenciling kick, so I'm going to continue on that kick and use a stencil, a heart stencil, that is no longer available, but I will see if I can find some similar stencils for you. And I'm also going to use some distress ink with an ink blending tool to get the pigment through the stencil. So I am journaling the very last prompt from the Wholehearted Devotional Kit, where Becca's talking about loving wholeheartedly, and she points us to Deuteronomy 10:12, which says, "What does the Lord your God require of you, but to fear the Lord your God, to walk in all his ways, to love him, to serve the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul." So I chose to use pieces from the physical kit, which is sold out, but you could, I think, recreate this with the digital elements that are available and the a la carte items that are available. I also pulled some paper pieces like this really fun glitter tag from the La La Love collection from Crate Paper, and I'm going to layer that behind my title. And then I decided here, after I cleaned off my stencil, to go ahead and add a few more hearts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then layer the title and that paint card, which is from the Print and Pray shop, on top of my stenciled background. In her devotional, Becca says, "Loving and serving often go hand in hand when you read through Scripture. Maybe that's because one can't really exist without the other. Think about it. You can't truly serve someone if you don't really love them. Serving isn't expecting something in return, it's selfless. And that's love. Who is God calling you to love today? How can you serve them? Remember, when you do, you are loving and serving Him and truly living and loving wholeheartedly." So right now I'm trying to figure out where everything is going to go on my page before I stamp anything else down or glue anything else down. I want to be sure to make good use of these stamps, and then this number 1 and number 2 came from the digital elements from the digital devotional actually. I printed those on clear sticker paper and thought they would make like a great number 1 and 2 for journaling a list. After I did my stamping, I took this Faber-Castell brush pen and went through Deuteronomy, the last half of 10 and 11, and I highlighted all of the areas that link loving God and then serving Him, obeying Him, keeping His commands, because she's right. As you read through, they seem to go together, especially in this passage. So for my journaling, I'm going to use this 1 and the 2 from the artwork in the digital devotional kit, along with some red and pink alpha stickers. This is an assortment, really mostly from Studio Calico and Kelly Perky, just what I happened to have on hand. And then this book is really great. It's called Reading the Bible with Rabbi Jesus, written by Lois Tverberg, and she talks about this specifically in her book. She mentions the word love that's used here in Hebrew is ahava. She says, "Love to us is a warm, sentimental emotion confined to our hearts. To us, it's impossible to love someone you don't even know." The Hebrew word, however, also refers to the actions that result from love, loyalty, and doing good for others. And I felt like that was just such a great, succinct way to connect these two ideas. So I'm spelling out the word serve, again with those same alpha stickers, mixing up the colors and the fonts. And then I stamped down a partial arrow from the stamp set to connect the one to the other. So now that my journaling is done, I'm going to go ahead and get a date stamp down. I'm using the Studio Calico Mega Date Stamp here. I was really looking for big and bold elements on my page today, and so this huge date stamp was a perfect fit. And then I'm looking to the sticker sheet from that same La La Love collection from Crate Paper just to pull some black and pink heart stickers. I'm really trying to stick to the pink and red only for my color scheme, and so you'll see here when I use pieces from the Wholehearted washi tape, I'm only selecting the pink and red hearts. I was really tempted to add some black watercolor splatters, but wanted to do something a little different than normal. So I'm going back in with this heart stencil, and I'm going to just push my pen through the openings for some hearts, just to bring a little more black to the page. So I did that over one of the stenciled hearts, and then I did it in a couple of blank areas too. I looked to the stamp set one more time to see if there were some other elements that I could use, and I loved this love, 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 love like little cloud, so I thought that would be the perfect finishing touch. And there you go. So I've got a few pictures of my finished page here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am just about done with the Wholehearted kit now. I'll link some of the other process videos that I've made using this kit in case you want to check those out too. And I'll be sure to link to the items that I used to make this page also. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.